Hi, this is an NMD-341 heavy-duty walking food sewing machine. Uh, this machine is the perfect machine for any heavy fabric. And the stitch length on this machine can be adjusted up to 9 millimeters. This is an excellent machine. We have sold many of these machines, and up to now we have had no complaint. This is a sample of the fabric I'm sewing on. This is a foul leather. This is a heavy-duty fabric. And the machine comes with a servo motor that the speed is now set at 300 stitches per minute, which is a very good speed for sewing the handbags. And most of customers that have purchased these, they are making handbags, and they are very happy with the machine. So if you are looking for a cylindrical bed machine for heavy fabric, this is a good machine to buy.